Hi guys, there's always a moment. You don't see it, you don't feel it, but it changes everything. She's still texting, she's still sleeping with you, she's still smiling at dinner, but something's different. You can just sense it, subtly though. She's just not the same. And you won't know until it's too late. But that was the exact moment she started losing respect for you. And when that respect dies, so does the desire, the loyalty, the future you thought you were building. So if you want to keep your power, your value, and your grip on attraction, you need to know exactly when that moment happens. Let me break it down for you. Number one, women stop loving the moment they stop respecting. Love is not what keeps a woman loyal. Respect is. She may enjoy your company, she may be emotionally attached, but if the masculine strength she once admired begins to fade, her instincts take over, and they'll tell her, he's not the man I thought he was. Not because you changed overnight, but because she saw a pattern of weakness, of softness, of indecision, of you being led by her instead of the other way around. That's the moment she mentally checked out, and chances are you didn't even notice. Number two, the silent shift always starts small. When a woman starts to lose respect, it's never explosive. It's quiet. It's in the way she stops listening, the way she sighs more when you talk, the way she questions your choices more often, the way she stops looking at you the same when you speak. She'll still kiss you, she'll still let you take her out, but the admiration in her eyes, it's gone. And the worst part, she'll never tell you, because in her mind, you were supposed to be the man who led. If she has to teach you how to be that man, she's already lost interest. Number three, the top three things that kill her respect without you even realizing. Number one, you explain yourself too much. A man who feels the need to justify every single move he makes subconsciously signals guilt. Guilt equals weakness, and weakness equals no respect. Number two, you apologize when it's not needed. There's a difference between accountability and submission, and most men confuse the two. When you start apologizing just to keep the peace, she sees it as fear, and no woman respects a man who's afraid of her emotions. Number three, you hesitate under pressure. Indecision is poison. If you can't make fast, firm decisions when it matters, she loses faith in your ability to lead. And once you lose that frame, you lose the woman. Number four, respect doesn't die from one mistake. It dies from a pattern. This is what most men miss. It's not that you made a mistake. It's that you kept repeating behavior that turned her off and thought she wouldn't notice or it was no big deal. The way you second-guessed yourself, the way you let her steer the conversation, the way you avoided confrontation, the way you sought her approval more than you sought your own purpose. Every single one of those things is a micro cut to your masculine image. And eventually you bleed out. Number five, her tests were warnings. And to her, you failed. The coldness, the sarcasm, the random fights, they weren't random at all. They were tests, conscious emotional tests to see if you were still strong enough to lead her. And if you responded with fear, apology, hesitation, or validation, you failed. She was giving you a chance to reclaim your stance, and you didn't. And now she's slowly replacing you, either emotionally, mentally, or physically. A lot of guys ask, can I ever get her respect back? The answer is yes, but not by chasing it. The only way to rebuild the respect she once had is to become the man she thought you were when she first met you. That means stop over-explaining, make confident decisions, lead with certainty and not submission. Stop seeking approval. Start living on your mission again. When you become centered again, when you become dominant in your own life, she will see that. But remember, you're not doing it for her. You're doing it because it's who you truly are. So to sum everything up, respect is her root emotion, not love. Love will definitely make her stay around for a little while. Sex will keep her interested for a few nights, but respect is what makes her stay loyal for life. And the moment she loses it, you've already lost her. Not because you weren't nice enough, not because you weren't strong enough. She didn't leave because she didn't care. She left because she no longer believed in you. And if you don't recognize that particular moment, you'll keep losing women who could have definitely been right for you. And listen, guys, I know this sounds like hard work, and it's because honestly, it is. Working on yourself is never easy, and honestly, it's never really fun either, but it's necessary because self-accountability is one of the sexiest traits a man could ever have. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.